G'day folks, this is another S Group daily review video number 106 today. And yeah, we got our earnings last night. Got the report early this morning. It was a great day yesterday, guys. If you take a look here, 0.76%, which is, I made $138.80 on the money I've invested. Just zoom in there so you can check it out. There you go. And so that's the money I've invested in the Forex investment here, guys. So the way it works is it's this amount and this amount combined is added together, and then it's times by 0.76%. And then you take that amount, and I'm currently sitting at the 25% tier. So I take that amount and then times it by 0.075, and that's how much I make. Oh, my phone's going off there. That's how much I'm actually making in terms of my earnings for the day. So it's pretty sweet, guys. The last 2-3 days, they've actually implemented a brand new bot for the system. And also they've implemented some new brokers as well. So what that is going to mean is yeah, things are on the up and up, guys. Things are looking really, really great. My investment is going to expire, I believe. Yeah, it's on the 13th of March. So what'll happen, guys, is that my monthly earnings from this investment and this investment, whatever those two amounts are, those will actually go up here to the top right, which is my basically my wallet. And at that point, I have access to do whatever I want with them. I could take the money and reinvest it all, or I can withdraw it all if I want. But my goal is I want to take $400 of that money and reinvest it back in the system so I can keep growing my principal, which is this amount right here. So after the 13th or the 14th, whenever I get that money, this will go to 24,000. Actually, sorry, no, this would go to 24,400. Because what I'm going to do is, because that happens once a month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take $800, because I was doing $400 every 2 weeks, if you remember, from my previous videos. So now it's once a month. I'm going to take $800, put it back in here. So this will be, 24,400. And then the rest of the money I will just take out, switch it to my account. And then, I'll be able to enjoy the money, guys. So very exciting. So if you guys are just stumbling upon S Group for the first time, it's a great investment company where you can invest your money into these various markets right here. And there's an automatic computerized bot. What that does, it automatically trades for you. In my example, Forex. And you can also invest it in SIPO, which is the stocks the company has set up in place that they do business with. It does automatic stock trading for you, which is the SIPO. I eventually want to get into that in the coming months, but I want to build this Forex account up first. At least 25,000. I don't know if I'll put some money in just after that, but want to get close to the $50,000 mark. Once I'm there, I'll probably really start hammering these accounts here, guys. But for now, I'm just happy with the Forex, which is what I started with back in, was it October 2020, if you've been following my videos. So, yeah, guys, so I just want to make this quickly 5-minute quick daily review video just to show you guys we had an awesome earning day yesterday. 0.76 was the amount that was traded and we made money on. Which, like I said, I made $138.80, guys. Just think about that. I'm in Canada, so that's like maybe 150, 160 bucks Canadian just in one day for basically not doing anything, just having your money in the system and letting it work for you. It's basically the same system that the banks use as well, guys. When you deposit money into the bank or you make a huge investment, they take that money and they put it on these markets and they make money off of your money. So banks and a lot of big corporations do that as well. So it's definitely something you guys want to look into. If you have any further questions, just shoot me an email like I always say in my videos. I'm very easy to reach. I check my email all the time. And if you're interested in signing up in the Forex market or S Group, there's a sign up link down below. You just click on the sign up link. You can join my team. And basically, I'd love to have you on. I'll walk you through everything. I've been with the company since October 2020, so I pretty much know everything that's going on. I keep up with it daily. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. There's a subscribe button. You can subscribe to my channel, and you can be informed of all the updates and everything that's happening. So, yeah, with that being said, that concludes my 5-minute daily review video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.